Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the battery draining issue on your OnePlus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and here click on about device. Now here click on your mobile software version and from here check if your mobile software is updated to latest version or not. If your mobile is not updated to latest version, then update your mobile software and after that the battery draining issue will be resolved. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on additional settings. Now here scroll down and click on backup and reset, and after that click on reset phone. Now here click on reset all settings and enter lock screen password. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset all settings, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after doing this, I hope it will fix your problem. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on location, and if you have turned on the location services, then turn off this location services button. So after doing this, your issue will be resolved. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.